In this tutorial, we're going to talk about moving off from the left. Moving off from the left is very simple. When moving off, you're only moving off. That's all you need to complete. So, how do we move off from the left? Moving off routine is gear, mirrors, signal, and last, you must check your blind spot before you move. So we're going to move off. So the first thing you do is go into gear and check all your mirrors, signal, check your blind spot. Once you can see the road is clear, you let down your handbrake and move off. Once you move off, you're doing something else. In this case, we're dealing with a junction, so we would just deal with the junction. Please note, when you check your mirrors, if the road is not clear, hold off. Wait until you can see in your mirrors an opportunity to move off. Then signal. Once you can see you have a clear and safe opportunity to move off, you then check your blind spot. If clear to move off, you move off. The common issue: timing. Poor timing when moving off can be a cause of a fault on observation and/or progress. So make sure you get live lessons so your driving instructor can check your timing and help you to move off correctly and avoid these possible faults on your driving test.